Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today my son is giving me a face paint, and it's a Halloween face paint, guys. So let me see how crazy this guy's gonna make me look today. Okay. All right, let's go.
Okay, get started straight away. Jesus.
Okay, my days. Oh my days.
Close your lips. No. Your nose has to be black for this.
What are you doing? Do you know what's the character?
Yeah, I know.
What?
It's like a pumpkin.
A pumpkin.
Face.
A pumpkin face.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me see how pumpkin face mom look. And I'm gonna be wearing this to the shop as well, guys. So I dare you to go to the shop looking like this the day before Halloween. Guys, face paint.
This is gonna be funny. The people are at the shop are gonna be thinking, is this woman crazy? It's not even Halloween yet.
My son's doing that to me, yeah?
If this was me, I would have laughed so hard already.
I'm trying to hold it in because I don't want to ruin it for you. Can I have actually in 5 seconds? Can I have a look, please? So could you hurry up, please? I don't like people on my face as well. No, right now I feel like I'm wearing a face mask. Okay, what's all those?
I've done your nose.
What is this?
At the end, this is gonna be better.
Alright, then could you hurry up, please? Because I don't even know where this is heading.
And then, now I'm gonna shut this and get something else. Okay. Now orange for this side of your face is gonna be orange for this. Okay, your hair's getting in the way a bit.
Okay. Because you did yours way.
Okay. Orange. This doesn't even look that orangey.
Because dark skin, light-ish. I'm not, the apple skin.
I just have to make this side of your face orange. Oh, part of it dropped on your... Sorry. Part of it dropped on your nose, yeah. Thanks.
Okay, I don't want that in my eyes, please, love.
Oh, sorry.
Don't want it in my eyes. Don't know what's in it.
There.
Okay.
Oh.
God help me what I look like.
Okay, that's your face done. No, not your whole face, That's not all I have to do to your face. Now let me quickly look at the thing again.
Okay, I don't know. What is this?
Okay.
That's really
I'm going to quickly wash my hands because I don't need this.
I don't know. What is this? Do I look like a pumpkin? will. We're gonna have Halloween in our home.
This thing.
Blah, nah, stop, wait. Come, wait, what's that now? What are you
After
doing
the
with that?
lines for pumpkin.
Come on.
It's a line. Straight down. And down. And down. And down. Down. And down. And then last one. Down.
I kind of love this look. Like,
Do you?
yeah. I feel like I want to go out like this. Like,
Now your mouth is gonna look really spooky.
what are you gonna do to my mouth? What color?
Black. Just plain black.
Alright, go on.
Alright. Okay, so you have to make it in a certain shape like this. In the comments, rate how good you think I done it.
Hey, go ahead, guys.
Yeah, rate me out, check me out.
Rate my son out, check him out. He's doing the things then.
This is the last part.
Oh my days, I love how I look. I look like a scary cat. I actually love it, like no lie. I'm gonna look like this every day. Like makeup. Look what you could do.
You see? Yes, this makes it even spookier.
I look like the what's that guy
I have to do.
guys, break this look. What's the final touch now? Okay.
Like it's cracked, like your base is cracked into two different sides, the pumpkin side.
Guys.
Wait. Like, this is how it's supposed to look.
Alright, so can you probably, I want to add something to it now. This is my touch.
Okay.
This is my creativity.
I'm being creative now. Alright. I see.
Guys, tell me if you think I ruined it or you think I
Improved it.
That's the word, Lara.
Yeah.
That's the word. What do you think, Lara?
I like it.
Let me kind of fix it up.
Oh. I've made Mum into a pumpkin.
Look, this bit of the pumpkin you can fix though.
Oh.
Can't leave the pumpkin like that.
Do you see it? There. So, that's the new complete pumpkin look. Guys, rate it from 1 to 10. I really like it. I'd rate it 10.1.
Pumpkin.
I really like it.
I really like it too. Pumpkin. Let me see if I change my lips.
Oh, I'm gonna prank Shakai. Wait, you can prank Shakai, you know. Make another part of the video, go upstairs, and then go down and go, I'm scared.
So what colour do you think I should put on my lips? White.
Yeah. Yeah. So it matches this part. Are you actually going to go to the shop?
Pumpkin. Am I going to actually go to the shop?
Yeah.
So I doubt it.
I want to put on a pumpkin look. I actually want to do it right now as well to myself. Am I allowed to pumpkin myself?
Come take a picture now. Pumpkin. Guys, this is the Halloween pumpkin look. Tell us what you think. So I'm a half pumpkin with the
And you can see the top bit. The top bit actually
it's insane. Like, I want to do one of them crazy makeup. Like, I'm gonna try one of James Charles makeup look. One of them crazy. Okay, guys. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm like this look. What do you think, guys? Tell us what you think. Rate it. Rate. Oh, I think something is missing. Let me add a little James Charles effect to it. James like the craziness. Ashay is not involved. Ashay is not involved at all anymore.
That was really fun.
Ash, can you take some pictures now? So guys, tell us what you think.
Yep.
Did I ruin it? Did I improve it? Take some pictures now, Lara.
Should I stop the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you stopped the video.
Bye guys, like and subscribe. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. So bye.